What is up, guys? It's that Organ STI again, or Jacob. I don't know what you guys want to call me. We got Zach over here in the corner. He's touching a paintbrush right now. Today we're going to do an install vid on how to install a mesh front grille on a 2017 STI.
Hey.
We'll see how that goes.
Okay.
That's what we're looking at. Gonna go right there. So wish us luck. Pop the hood. Let me come over here and open your that bolt, that clip, that bolt, that clip, that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, that clip, and that bolt all have to come off. I'm gonna rack it first, and then we'll see where it takes us. Okay, Milwaukee, by the way, sponsor me. These clips here, they work fantastic because you just go like this, like that, and then you just pull it right out like so. Oops, you gotta find the hole.
Oh yeah.
Pry him up.
Yeah, pry it.
Pull him out.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Good morning.
Handy dandy.
That flashlight is like freaking a ray of sunshine.
Just like mine, just like me every morning, right?
No.
Just a ray of sunshine. Okay, that's gotta come off. That's gotta come off. That's gotta come off. That doesn't. That's all right. Okay. That's your gun. Yep. That's all right. And then you gotta pry it up. Come on now. Maybe this has to be pushed in more. That didn't work.
Oh, that just got pelted by
I just
that.
took out Zachary.
Oh my goodness. Well, it's all right.
Well,
you break that thing any more than you possibly did?
so you just rip it off like that.
Yeah, that's how you do it, right?
Yeah. It only holds a bumper on. It's not that serious. Oh yeah, see? It's not that serious. This one's just gone.
Yeah, it's been gone.
She's been gone. Okay, so we pop this out of place, Zachary. You go on that side and pop it out like that. Okay, go ahead. Pop it out of place. Yep, just like that. You know, it's gonna look like that on both sides.
Okay.
And there are basically pins in here that you just pull it off. Obviously be gentle, you don't want to break your front bumper, but...
I broke it. I broke it.
Okay, there you go.
How are you gonna do this with the license plate?
Huh? I kind of totally forgot about that. But there's an easy fix for that. Okay, so Zach's in the bathroom. I'm not sure what he's doing. But here.
Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit, boy? Flashbang out.
Okay, there we go. Is that a Subi?
Sound like it.
I wonder if Eric's here.
Or Neil.
No. Okay, so I believe the next step is you just take all these screws off.
They didn't find the hole, GMG.
I was actually kidding, and then I just couldn't find it after that.
Jeez.
Okay.
No, an hour and 40 minutes.
Okay, go ahead and pull it out now. Hold on. There you go.
There we go.
Okay, so now this should just slide right inside there. Looks like it's pretty lined up now.
And then just screws in.
I guess so. Safety reasons, I guess.
Yeah, something like that. My foot's asleep right now.
It's
very tingly, like sharp needles right now.
Okay, push it back up.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, please help me.
It's actually like this.
Get.
Limping around.
Okay, I think we're good now. Oh,
This is what we look like. Took all these screws out basically, and then you just push it out. There's these clips right here, 2 up here, 2 on the side, and then 2 on the bottom. Hit those out, and then just push the grill out, and then put this one in, snap it in place, and screw it down, and you're good to go. There we go. Pretty close. Are you lined up?
Up here.
I'm in over here.
Do you want me to clip these on the side?
Yeah. Yep. Make sure that's in. Just like that. Now I take this. That goes so. Technically, you should start them with your fingers before you do this. So you don't strip them. But I've been working on cars for the last like 6 years, so I can do it, but I still strip things. So just be careful. 1. Boom. Boom. I don't want to come off. Let's just. It's not my workstation. Eric, if you're watching this. That's gonna do it for today's video. As you can see in the background there, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you guys got any questions, concerns, drop it down below. I'll let you know. It looks okay. It's not my favorite thing. I need to get the bottom part down there for the bumper to match the mesh, and I think it would look better. And a radiator support bar would make it look really nice. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell so you get notifications when I post my next video. Thanks, guys. That's pure ASMR. That's beautiful, Zachary. I love that.
Oh,
all right.
Goodness.
Okay, anyhow.